gentlemen, welcome back to another great video. Today I am here somewhere in Virginia. There's a butterfly over there. But yesterday, which was the first set of footage which I'll be showing you, where fireworks. We did fireworks at a friend's house, and then we came here today, and we went kayaking, of course. Great nature documentary of the underwater a little bit. So you can go ahead, and I'll stop talking for 3 seconds. I'll see you guys once we get started with the footage right now.
As we float along the ocean, we can see the endless sea of the ocean kelp. This is a very rare and unique species and can only be found in this one tight corner of the shallow waters of Virginia. This particular species may have existed before life on Earth has existed and may have survived the dinosaurs. But it has definitely been here for a long time, and it has been fighting for survival ever since. There is no telling what its past may have been like. These plants serve as a nursery for small fish, and if these fish cross the cliffs as shown, then they could be in danger, because there are sharks, dangerous sharks living in these waters. I came across a spider. This spider is a very unique species. This species is called... I have no idea! Please tell me if you know in the comment section down below. I'm supposed to know what I'm talking about, but apparently not. Alright, now switching focuses, we take a look at Doug's video of the fireworks. Isn't that amazing, ladies and gentlemen? Then I used a sparkler for a minute till it finally gave out. Then it's time to have fun with the real sparklers. Let's take a look, shall we? Wink wink intent. So, our heroes finished up with their sparklers. Then they moved on to the fireworks. But due to the quality of my camera, I had Doug taking some video of it because I could only capture bright light, which wasn't very effective. Anyway, enjoy. You're welcome. Although these fireworks may seem mesmerizing to watch, but one of the fireworks shot so many little lasers at me that it made me actually get up and get away. Let's go see what the upcoming fireworks look like, shall we? It truly is amazing about how these big light machines seem to shoot so many rays into the atmosphere. And that they're probably legal, you know. Hopefully they're legal, but at least At least we did not have to deal with any police. I'm just thinking on the bright side, okay guys? Please, thank you. The fireworks spores could land thousands of miles away, and then they'll start reproducing. Wait a second, what am I reading? As we observe the great fireworks, it is a rumor that I cannot confirm or deny that those spores came near me at near 3,000 miles an hour, and I had to quickly get away from them fast. Watch more to see what happens next. Will I survive, or will I perish? As the smoke rises, it is now clear that our heroes have survived yet another day. These fireworks are the biggest congregation of fireworks in all of Virginia. This is a sight to see by all travel vloggers, and it may not happen again for another 2,500 years. As the night concluded, I just realized that although there were bigger firework canisters, that the true big one was the one that almost knocked me over. And I truly did enjoy this experience, and I look forward to doing it again next year, and hopefully filming that too.
If you guys have enjoyed this video, thank you. So basically, this video will be hopefully good. Appreciate like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, the Only Man has vlog and the Amazon Alexa interview may or may not be coming and uploaded on the same day. So in the event that it is already uploaded, you can click up in the top right corner to see the video, or maybe this will be a hidden video from the Only Man has vlog. So like the hidden video, but anyway, if this is a hidden video, it will be available to the public in a few days, and you can obviously see it early. But see you guys in our next vacation update. Bye bye.